In this A2 hosting review video, I'm going to be doing a complete review of A2 hosting, going over everything from the pricing, plans, features, customer support, along with providing you with a website speed and performance test on a fully functioning website using A2 hosting. I'll also be providing you with an A2 hosting discount that will get you up to 75% off web hosting. The discount is automatically applied. Click the link in the description below to take advantage of the A2 hosting discount. A little disclosure. The link is an affiliate link. We do not receive commission from A2 hosting at no extra cost to you. Plus, you get an awesome A2 hosting discount. If you haven't already, feel free to click the link in the description to visit A2 hosting. A2 hosting was launched in 2003 and the hosting provider is built for speed. A2 hosting has over 110,000 active services with customers in 224 countries, territories where people choose A2 hosting. A2 hosting offers hosting services such as shared hosting, VPS hosting, WordPress hosting, dedicated hosting, reseller hosting, and many more. For this tutorial, we're going to be focusing on the most popular shared web hosting plans. A2 hosting offers 4 different plans consisting of the Startup plan, Drive plan, Turbo Boost, and Turbo Max plan. You get the Startup plan for as low as $2.99 a month, and the plan renews at $12.99 a month. The Drive plan you'll get for as low as $5.99 a month, and the plan renews at $15.99 a month. The Turbo Boost plan you can get for as low as $6.99 a month, and it renews at $24.99 a month. The Turbo Max plan you can get for as low as $14.99 a month, and it renews at $29.99 a month. All 4 hosting plans come with a 30-day money-back guarantee, free SSL certificates, free site migration, complete SSD solutions, top-notch security, cPanel access, and 24/7 365 customer support. The Startup plan is good if you're only going to have one website, as this plan comes with one website. You receive 100 gigabytes of SSD storage and unlimited email accounts. The Drive plan comes with unlimited websites, unlimited SSD storage, and free automated backups, unlimited databases, Node.js up to 20, and unlimited email accounts. The Turbo Boost plan comes with unlimited websites, unlimited NVMe SSD storage, free automated backups, and this plan is up to 20 times faster. The Turbo Boost plan also comes with all the features the Drive plan comes with, plus turbo features like performance plus traffic surge protection, Lightspeed web server, up to 11 times faster than Apache, A2 optimized site accelerator, pre-configured site caching, HTTP2 and HTTP3, Lightspeed cache plugins for faster software speed, deluxe WordPress toolkit features, Magento pre-configured for speed and security. The Turbo Max plan comes with unlimited websites and everything that the Turbo Boost plan comes with, plus 5 times more resources. Once you decide on a plan to choose, click the button that says Get and the name of the plan. You'll now be on the checkout page. You'll see Account. Input your account information. Over on the right, you'll see the different hosting terms you can choose from. You can choose between monthly, 12 months, 24 months, and 36 months. You get the cheapest pricing with the 12-month term. You'll see the A2 hosting cost and savings. Scroll down to the Register a Domain. Click the I need to create a new domain, and you can enter a domain name that you'd like to have. Click I have a domain if you already own a domain from another provider. You can select to transfer your domain to A2 hosting, or you can click Skip for now, and A2 hosting will give you a temporary domain to use. Next, go to the Configure Your Hosting section. Next to Server Location, from the drop-down, you can select the server location you'd like. Next, go to the Billing section, select how you'd like to pay. You can pay with a credit, PayPal, or bank wire transfer. Now let's go over the backend and control panel of A2 hosting. Once signed up, this is what the A2 hosting control panel looks like. You can easily access different things within the panel. If you click Account Details, you'll find your A2 hosting name servers in case you need to point your domain from another provider to A2 hosting. You'll also see other account information here and your email info to set up an email account. To access cPanel, you'll see the cPanel login button. Click this. You'll now be in the cPanel. Creating free email accounts is quick and easy. Just find the email section and click Email Accounts. You can easily create email addresses ending in your domain name. If you want to install WordPress on A2 hosting, you'll see WordPress, A2 Optimize. Click this to go to the WordPress install page. From the cPanel page, you can also scroll down to the software section. Click WordPress, A2 Optimize. You'll now be on the Install WordPress page. Click the Install button. You'll now be on the WordPress setup page. You can now input details and click Install at the bottom to install WordPress on A2 hosting. From the cPanel page, if you type Soft Aculus in the search field, click the Soft Aculus Apps Installer. It'll pull up lots of ways you can create your website. When it comes to customer support, A2 hosting offers 24/7 365 customer support via chat, via a support ticket, and the phone. A2 hosting also offers a support knowledge base that has guides, tutorials, and answers to questions that you might have, which can be helpful. Now let's go over the site speed and performance of A2 hosting. For this test, I used a fully functioning website so you can see how a fully functioning website will perform. The site loaded on average 875 milliseconds, super fast website performance. I also did a performance test, and here's the results with all the different locations. Something to keep in mind is I chose a server in the US, so you'll see great performance in the US as it's closest to the data center. You'll see the DNS speed, time to connect, TLS, and time to first byte. Awesome performance. I hope you enjoyed this A2 hosting review and tutorial. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment, letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more A2 hosting tutorial videos.